Now welcome back. This nasty the red. The boss will get 4 steering, 4 drivers, and all of us they go one destination. I see there with my brother Shaggy Shakara and Lucky Shine. Of course, we don't enter the laugh at last. Sorry.
Tori don't walk.
Oh, John. Okay, make it no be like say you don't over introduce us because at the counter, I don't hear my name for your mouth now. It's 7 times.
No be lie.
Seven times they make I don't want to do.
Okay, 7. Even the same person offend you may forgive her 70 times. So
70 times 7 times.
So
70 times 7. They read Bible. No, they miss.
Okay, how many be the total number?
490. 490.
The total number to forgive the person.
490 times. 70 times 7 equals to 490 times.
You know, if you know.
Okay, leave the Sunday school this thing. Let's go to Tori don't war. Because Tori, we will war here, you will also take the Tori as war. Now, them arrest one man 400 meters away from where he commit the first offense. You know what that means? As he move, go front tomorrow, 400 meters away, he commit the same offense. We make them be arrested than before. That is, I don't know what they think. But when we will hear the story, we will know exactly what that offense be when they commit 400 meters away from him. Even the same boat when they run. You know they run, come out, reach that place there, person. But we hear the story, we
okay,
come out.
Hear the story. Maybe for the story, we will know where to want to talk.
What you want to talk?
Abi? Yeah, Tori don't want to be this one, not be lie. They arrest one man 400 times for the same offense, stealing. 56-year-old Glenn Stacy for Britain, thief magazine put for inside him bag inside one local supermarket. He plan to give his girlfriend this magazine as gift. This latest thief-free where this man do, now make am the 400 times where they don't cash her or top shoplifting or lepe. Now they don't ban her from entering Blackpool town for inside Britain because in record don't high. Then here say in record don't even pass the latest man wey be the thief, but he own don't pass that man own. That man own na Robert Knowles, but this man now be the highest thief-free man on top Britain wey don thief 400 times inside shoplifting things.
Because you know...
I beg, I apologize to the people.
No, you know
the wrong information we give.
It's not
just
apologize.
No,
argue. Just apologize.
Just apologize. Now, false alarm that if you want follow criminal offense.
Now you go with
na false alarm.
Now 400 times
apologize.
The people who they thief for our money for this country, nobody don't apologize. Chakara. Because I told you that they arrested him.
Let's say our head no correct.
The thing don't move.
I will give you 2 reasons that one I will tell you saying his head no correct. Continue.
Don't disturb me now.
Okay.
Sorry. Not to these 3 people, to the people when they watch. They arrest the man 400 times, not 400 meters away from where he committed the first offense. And the reason because why the story coming like that, we say, this country we are confused. Even the government were confused. Everybody is confused. Even me, I'm confused. Even these 3 people who were there, they are confused.
Because
even you when they watch.
Now, you don't say, lucky, I thought it was 3 that time. Now, don't say 2 reasons, I will give you another 3. First, your cue card, you turn up. You turn back to your phone. You turn up right.
Oh my God,
That one.
Yaba left.
2.
We need application.
400 meters instead of 400 times.
Yaba left. We need application.
Yes,
Application. Yaba left. See.
Hold up. Thirdly, he said this called Nigeria were confused. That man will commit the crime. Na Nigeria man.
No, the guy is
have I been able, my lord? Have I been able to come?
You totally.
I'm not confuse you. That
totally
my fellow co-anchor is finally doctorate.
You are very correct.
Thank you, my lord.
Objection, stamp. You feel this thing.
That's the first time I'm seeing a very fat man make sense. You understand?
Yeah.
For you to be able to do the work of a lawyer.
Yeah.
You understand?
I'm used to slim guys not making sense all every time in my life.
See, they do eye they red now. Today the eye red for our body. No. The eye they red for our body together. Still on this, as Shakara say, this man, the cash out 400 times.
400 meters. No, not talk 400 meters. Together, I don't correct now.
How basic go thief 400 times? They didn't get the stage that go reach.
What did they thief?
They just say, you again. Okay, more escort you, no they arrest you. Now escort, more escort you.
Wait, that country said they get time, sha.
For Britain.
They mark, they
record now.
So anytime
they come. You've been here before. You've been here before.
Oh, now you just say now again.
No, Oyibo they like record. They feel just arrest that man, just sentence him, but they just want make him break the record so that he go enter Guinness Book of Records. You know, say this man fit make money like this.
They only the sentence am.
You go there.
They only the sentence am. And the judge can't retire.
To life imprisonment.
But why you no fit make money? Now only say na one particular thing they thief now.
Newspaper.
Now shoplifting
Yes,
they do.
Newspaper.
Not only newspaper. Today that this one they catch on newspaper, but they thief other things. Mainly na shoplifting, you go pick, go waka. Well, all join because
Man, na they say offense
I
now.
don't know if you're shoplifting.
shoplifting be say when you enter shop, you
We
pick
just
things
pick
they don't know.
something.
You
If
use
they
our
don't go
car.
to say shoplifting, we say they always go carry
Carry
the
the
bush.
Okay, your brother, please, what is the meaning of?
I'm a lucky child.
What is the
Still on
meaning of?
the-
What is the meaning
still on
of?
the-
What is the
still on
meaning of?
the-
Lucky child.
still on the
Lucky
TPT.
Child and Shaggy. What's the meaning of kleptomania?
Kleptomania. Na person wey be say e go takes.
Make Shaggy answer.
Where person where they used to they pick something.
Yes,
Where
now.
you just dey pick
finish
something.
am
Where they pick something for where?
Now, artist na habit.
They and I habit.
The habit of wanting to thief always. You always picking things. You not be old.
If you don't buy plenty, if you don't buy things plenty for that,
But you
shop,
must
you
still
just
thief one.
pick something.
Outside and put for pocket.
Thank you. Clap for yourself.
Okay, you
Thank
know,
you.
try.
Because you don't know shoplifting tonight. This is Shaggy. No, no.
Kleptomania.
You know, see, showman, would they ask, where showman? Would they ask Shakara for live television? What if you shoplifting? They said that they go to shop.
Carry shop for head, bro.
As I got the first year, they carry shop and then the shoplifting.
I beg.
Still on this thief matter, he get this one. They say that the man they arrest her because he go thief wrong size of trouser. You trouser no size and they got the arrest her. More hear the story. Then we go come back and address the issue sharply. One man after he don't thief wrong size of trouser. This man named now Robert Knowles, and I be the other man will be the thief too. He be 68 years old, and now for inside Britain, they call him the Ogbonge thief of Britain. Police see this man outside one supermarket where he wear trouser and jacket where he carry security tag. The trouser and jacket cost £158 where this thief man wear, and na for Marcus Spencer in Thief Farm inside Plymouth for Britain. But the guy can't begin verse. Say police they even dey arrest am. Say the trouser wey even thief not be in size. Saying they manage wear am why they see the arrest am on top. Now 350 offence this man don't commit. That means he own thief free than 350 times while the other guy own now 400 times. But now petty thief that the thief oh, their own thiefing, he get K-leg.
So this one is trouser lifting.
Trouser lifting. No, that one collect magazine for shop. This one collect trouser for
They
job.
are all shoplifters.
But wait, so you know say if somebody thief only
Yeah, I go
man.
say they all shoplift. This guy na trouser thief, na shop thief.
Now the same shop.
That's a thief only trouser. They call am shoplift. All the people wey go boggle food shop. Wait.
Shower glass. But seriously, how people go thief that number of times? So that means like this area, if you say if you thief Maggi, you go prison. If you thief many money, you know go prison. So if na Nigeria they can't score, you know how many people don't thief Maggi only for compound. As you dey, before you go know the Maggi you put for kitchen, no move.
Chakara said I can't come back before.
Chakara, you get one of Chakara joke now. When Chakara say,
And now they say I don't think I kiss you.
No, if you start not doing this show today, na for no get yam.
No, not I am now.
Why you
But
talk
now
like
you tell us this thing.
Yes.
That means you guys are not
They
funny.
don't thief your pot of soup.
that? Sit down there.
That means you guys are not funny.
You want
sit down there.
you want
Don't tell
Bukari?
us.
You want Bukari for food? You can't get Bukari.
Make a joke without Shakara.
I should make a joke with that Shakara.
1 minute.
Okay, why Kenneth? Why Kenneth did they stay alone?
Yes.
He said that they already the thief in pot of soup. Have I called Shakara?
No, it's Kenneth.
Fantastic.
Kenneth.
Or Shaggy Kagberia.
When Agberia was living in Ijisha,
My prayer be say, make more just finish this thing quick. My own live on a JJ. Simple.
all right. Still on the arresting and stealing things, other than that. Get one 25 years old man, where we say yes, eh? This one not a TV. Power the cash. I don't know whether now COVID get. He swallow power mic things. Now he beat two policemen. Beat two policemen, hands down. More hear the story, I beg.
Yeah, this is another story where they arrest one 25 years old man because he beat two policemen. Chidi Ede for Sabo area for Yaba, Lagos, beat 2 policemen in an attempt to escape from their hand. Ede attacked Corporal Festus Emmanuel and Sergeant Matthew Akilome as them try to arrest him for breaking somebody windscreen. He used iron rod, they break Sergeant Matthew right leg. He could beat Corporal Emmanuel like saying a trailer jama. Then the man case they inside court now, then they see what they go do to him matter.
Where this guy dey? Where we not get good wrestlers for?
I think this guy as my bodyguard. Personal bodyguard.
Personal.
As not they laugh, me they sorry for him. You know
Why they sorry for him?
You know say
See, so they go break for body position.
You don't say get offense where we police see how they judge their own matter. As they decide sell, don't say get people with thief million or people who do bad thing.
Yes.
Some even key person. But you beat
police.
2 of the guys.
No, not even 2, 1.
You understand?
You can't be 2
No,
now.
you even cost 1 for road. You can't enter that yourself.
You understand? So them, you know, say the law they rate the other people crime above you.
yes,
But
yes.
them,
Now
they
you
don't-
cry person.
Now you they say you like this. They just say, hey, shift your head, come from self. No, you only you come first. Will they come?
But you know say the other way around, they feel not touch that.
Yes, so.
Eh?
They feel not. No, the other way around, they feel
For
not
Nigeria
touch.
police,
No, they say leave am.
You're not going to Nigeria police.
When I leave am, now they beat police. That guy they beat
But
police.
seriously, the person will be 2 policemen.
Yeah, I don't say the police station where they can't go now. All their bats in there don't break.
See,
They don't break up for a leg.
But I need to get that guy number.
Let me tell you.
I need to get that guy number.
Offense, you don't offend military person. For example, the guy will be say soldier, arrest him for the drive bike, come give him frog jump, Hey, come fly release the guy climbing bike as he won't go down. Say, officer, thunder, fire you. Now him bike stop. Bike no green start. He already.
Hey! You just want this now, man.
I don't want to imagine the rest.
You know they run leave
I'm
by.
just passing.
Oh my C-beats.
You know they run leave by.
It's not my own.
So them, you don't see burial song.
Hey, my brother. My brother. But the only way you can beat police and get away with it, don't see escape plan.
Burial ceremony, burial
That is
ceremony.
100% sure escape plan. Don't know where you go feel say you go fail. Believe in your leg.
But this guy will beat these 2 policemen. I beg, make them recruit him. May join Nigeria Army or something. You know, it's the way they beat these 2 men.
Why
Like,
you
But I don't like for now. I need that guy number.
The energy now, you know, it's too much for talk.
it's too much to join
Let me
police.
go relax. You know how many
much to join police.
No.
Shakara, now mind be that. I need that guy number. May they come beat police for our area.
Oh,
May they come
so
beat
as you
them.
do,
I mean, it's
as you do, so
as you do, so you see the Bible guy, you don't be police.
No, I don't mean
You
no.
don't get
No
this face
one
for
talk how many
nothing.
police you don't beat for Aguda.
You don't get this face for nothing.
You
They
imagine.
waste face, oh.
They waste
This is the
face.
face where they take thief,
They
oh.
waste muscles. See,
Hey, guy, they do
what
comedy.
you see?
Wait, how police say they talk to you normally?
Wait,
Charlie say you don't drive, they go and say, hey, back! Why not? Why not? Don't look the police.
Go. If the other police officer say, who be that? Don't worry.
Yeah, so my people, this is the idea that some of them do have every Saturday we could for the jolly and the jolly. Anytime when I see 4 of us, and I know say na jolly, na one jolly. Now this last story when I get, I don't know what it has to do with Nigeria. I don't know what it has to do with us, but you have to listen and watch it. A woman gave birth to bedroom slippers. Why? The husband a shoemaker. I don't know, man. Let's look at the video and watch the story.
Woman not see anything born, now slippers. They say woman give birth to bedroom slippers for Bashi State. One woman for Azare, Bashi State, don't give birth to bedroom slippers. Yes, now bedroom slippers. Her name na Amina Usman, 25 years old. They rush her go hospital for Azare because she dey complain say something dey waka for her belle upside down. Then when they go rush and reach hospital, the principal nursing officer, Amadiaro, come give her paracetamol and 1 injection to reduce the pain. According to Yaro, few minutes after dem discharge Amina, nine dem call and say Amina don burst slippers. Yaro say Amina no be get belle when she come, but the thing wey dey waka for inside the belle when she born and come outside, na one kind fine slippers wey no get rope.
The gods are angry with Amina, but for you to be sure, let's look at the interview. Who is coming back?
The gods are angry with Amina.
Yes, they're angry.
That's
The
why
God-
claim sickness, not actual sickness. So what I prescribe for her, I just place her on paracetamol, and they bought the paracetamol, and we serve the paracetamol. After some time, we say they can go home and come back the following morning to see the OPD doctor. I was called that the woman delivered the slippers. There was no any sign of pregnancy with that woman. It's a young woman, and thereafter, outside, the mother claimed that she had been with the husband for quite some time, and there was no any evidence, even history of pregnancy at home. That's what the mother claimed.
Okay, I don't know what happened. Now let the man enter.
That's a big risk.
Well,
Okay, the man.
You make point, so you make point for that
The man
thing.
wear slippers.
And I never even imagine the call. You know, so when your wife born, when you know that they call the husband. Hello, Musa. Your wife just gave birth to a bouncing baby slippers.
That rope. A fancy baby slippers.
my wife gave birth to what?
A bouncing baby slippers, sir.
Salafas.
Yes.
Celebs.
What kind of name are you giving to my fikin? How can you give me my fikin Salafas? No, sir, it's not.
It's not the name, it's the
Your
slippers.
wife gave birth to
It's the thing, it's the baby.
Salafas. Why they wear for leg?
She go talk what she do a beg. I get point.
Thank you.
I they support you. You know say that thing na slippers wey get rope. I don't know where they get. Wey be like keto. The thing come cut. You understand?
cut inside.
You know.
So the guy they mash bagger.
He be like say
No, you talk to.
You can't forget slippers inside there.
He cut. You wrote cut, come
God
on.
bless you. This one.
Mysteries in life, mysteries. Oh God.
And let me say the gods are angry with her
The
now.
gods are
But
angry
it's
with me.
okay. After all, she was not pregnant.
Yeah, she was not.
According to understand,
Yeah, she gave birth to slippers.
maybe she go to slippers forces wey enter her, and so
Or maybe she teach person slippers.
Now they come straight for her.
With slippers.
That slipper the thief so he go enter you. He can't go
Well,
enter.
thank you, my people. Some people go there, born slippers. Some people go there, go thief 400 times in their year, some thief 350 times. And some other people
They
go
beat
meet two
police.
police people and go to prison. To the police special force prison.
That guy number.
Which he will die here. Because I'm sure of Nigeria police, they will never let me down. Thank you, people, for joining us on today's episode of Eyes Red. And like this, we want to come up for the studio. Hala.
Okay, Shakara. At least you don't finish. Run, leave them.
I happy. Na me happy.
Aberia.
Na me happy.
When he was living in Ireland.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.